Welcome. Today we're diving into something pretty important if you live in an older house.
Yeah, we're talking about cast iron plumbing stacks, those big vertical pipes.
Exactly. And the potential issues they can cause. We've looked into this, and our aim is really to give you a heads up, help you spot trouble, before it gets serious.
Right, because if your home is hitting the big 4-0, or maybe it's even older, those original pipes carrying wastewater away, they could be setting you up for a real mess down the road.
Okay, so let's break that down. The core problem, really, it's what happens inside those old cast iron pipes, right? Over many, many years.
We're basically talking about rust, corrosion. It happens from the inside, slowly eating away at the metal.
So it's this kind of invisible decay, almost.
Yeah, right.
And it's not really a question of if it becomes a problem in these older systems.
It's much more a matter of when. And what's really tricky is that this internal corrosion can go on for ages without any obvious signs on the outside. The pipe walls just get weaker and weaker. Or the rust builds up inside, narrowing the pipe. That eventually leads to leaks or those really stubborn clogs everyone hates.
And I guess certain water types might make it worse.
Yeah, actually, depending on the mineral content and pH of your water, that can sometimes speed up the whole process.
Okay, so for someone listening, maybe thinking about their own house, what are the clues, the warning signs that maybe their cast iron is starting to give up?
Good question. It's crucial. Think about slow drains that just keep happening. You plunge, maybe use some drain cleaner, but it's slow again pretty quickly.
Right, like it's not just a one-off blockage.
Exactly. Also, any weird damp spots, maybe near pipes in the basement, or a musty smell you can't quite place, that's a big one.
Okay, dampness, smells, anything else?
Sometimes people hear strange gurgling sounds from the drains, even when water isn't running. It's almost like the pipes are, complaining.
Wow. Yeah, try and tell you something isn't right. Okay, those signs definitely sound like things you wouldn't want to find. So if it gets to the point where replacement is needed, what's the usual things these days? I hear PVC mentioned a lot.
That's the one. PVC polyvinyl chloride is pretty much the standard replacement material now.
Why is that?
Well, several reasons. It's really durable. It won't corrode or rust like cast iron. Plus, it's way lighter, which makes the installation job, easier and often faster.
So switching from old cast iron to PVC is like a major upgrade for the house's plumbing system, built to last longer.
Exactly. You're putting in something designed for longevity, solving that core corrosion problem. It's a proactive move.
Okay, proactive is good. But what about the alternative? What if someone notices those slow drains, maybe smells something musty, but decides to, ignore it for a while? What happens then?
Yeah, ignoring it is generally not a great strategy here. It can lead to some really unpleasant outcomes, very expensive ones too.
Like what? Give us the bad news.
Well, the worst case scenario is often sewage backing up into your house.
Oh no.
Yeah, it's messy, it's unsanitary, and it can cause huge damage. Think ruined floors, damaged walls, contaminated belongings. Plus, constant leaks, even small ones, create moisture problems.
It means mold, right?
Exactly, mold growth. And the longer you wait, the more widespread the damage becomes. So what might have been just a pipe replacement turns into fixing water damage and mold remediation. The costs just escalate.
Right, suddenly you're not just paying a plumber, you're paying drywall guys, flooring people.
Yeah.
It adds up fast.
It really does.
Okay, that definitely paints a clear picture.
Yeah.
So wrapping this up, if you had one key message for listeners about this whole cast iron issue, what would it be?
I think the main thing is just awareness. Know the age of your home, and if it's in that 40-plus year range with potentially original plumbing, just pay attention. Watch for those signs we talked about, the slow drains, the smells, the sounds.
Be vigilant.
Yeah. Catching it early can genuinely save you a ton of money, a ton of time, and just a whole lot of hassle and mess. It's preventative care for your house.
Well said. Preventative care for the hidden parts of your home. Which actually brings up an interesting final thought, doesn't it? Well, we've been talking about these unseen plumbing stacks. It makes you wonder, what other hidden systems in an older home might be aging silently, like old electrical wiring, or maybe the original HVAC ductwork?
That's a really good point. There's a lot going on behind the walls.
Exactly. Things that might need some proactive attention before they cause a major disruption. Definitely something to think about. Thanks for walking us through the plumbing side today.
My pleasure. Important stuff.
Thanks for tuning in to today's episode. We hope you learned something new about keeping your home's plumbing running right. Don't forget, if you've got cast iron stacks or aging pipes, AA Quick is here 24/7 with no extra fees for nights or weekends. Call us at 314-429-7131 and mention the podcast for $20 off your service. Until next time, stay safe, stay prepared, and remember, Jim sent you.